Hello kids, today our story is The Foolish Rabbit's Big Mistake. One day, the rabbit was sleeping under a tree when a pebble fell on his head. He woke up and thought that a part of sky was falling. He started running and kept shouting, "The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Run for your lives!" Many animals and birds are believed rabbit and running with him. The butterfly was sitting next to rabbit, started laughing. "Hold on, friends," she said. "Don't listen to rabbit. It was just a pebble that fell on his head." So kids, moral of the story is don't believe everything others say before first finding out yourself. Like that, for more videos, subscribe my channel and hit bell icon and also like my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.